Fried. Insect.
Prize. Basil.
Garden tools.
Garden tools.
None of the other neighbors are. None.
Garden snakes just eat insects. Of.
Product. Tool.
Urgent.
Of.
Those are nice tools.
Can I borrow your bicycle?
He. Borrowed. A. Tool. But. He. Return. It.
None of these tools are very useful. None of these tools are very useful.
Which tools should I bring?
The leaves are beautiful in October. None of the tools were. None. Those are nice tools. Those are nice tools.
Did you know the world's fastest diesel train was born in Britain? The Intercity 125 isn't just a machine, it's a record breaker. In 1987, it hit a staggering 148 miles per hour, holding the world record for decades. It proved that diesel power could still rule the high-speed rails. Watch the full episode of Iron Icons.
New. Break.
Teach. Lend. Fit.
Who is the cycling?
File.
Avoid. Activity. Plan.
Bank.
Ben and I are very close.
Race.
Rumor. Rumor.
Skill. Retreat.
Journal.
I can a new document if want.
Once. Forget. Chat. Dark.
Meta.
Walk the dog. After get home.
An important skill.
Teachers. Have. To. Work. Very. Hard.
I'll ask the secretary after his break.
Don't go to sleep after midnight. Teachers. Have. To. Work. Very. Hard.
Borrowed tools. B goes to Lynn's apartment. Lynn is working on her motorcycle.
Lynn, is that my toolbox? Oh, yes. I borrowed it yesterday. My motorcycle was broken. You need to ask before you borrow my things. Sorry, B. I'll give it back tomorrow. Wait, are those my work gloves? Yes, I borrowed them too. They're very nice.
B looks around Lynn's apartment.
That's my flashlight and my electric drill. And is that my car jack? I needed them all. I was fixing something important. Lynn, How many of my things did you borrow? Not many. Maybe 10 things? Or 15?
B is very angry.
I want all my things back. Now! Okay. But first, come to the parking lot with me.
They go outside to B's car. They go outside to B's car.
Look, I changed your flat tire and fixed your broken light. What? How did you know about that? Saw your flat tire yesterday, and you said the mechanic wanted $200 to fix everything. You fixed my car? That's why I borrowed all your tools. I saved you money. Are you still angry? No, but next time please ask first. Sure. By the way, can I borrow $20 for lunch?
Net.
Seat. Neat.
Set. Net.
Neat.
Seat.
Set.
Net.
Seat.
Net. Set.
Net.
Neat.
Seat.